Oh, did I just hit the... So it's the next day, and now, after a little bit of cleanup, I think I can get the body off. The plan is to do the easy stuff first. This is not trash. This is a chunk of the hood, or whatever the little hatch is. Not throwing this away. All the other bits of junk on here, probably throwing those away. I don't want this chunk of headliner either. Remember these? Yeah, I forgot. I should pack them up before I start. So, that's what I'm gonna do. These are just gonna get tossed wherever I toss them, so that doesn't matter too much. But let's pack these up. That should be good. I don't think they'll break. If they do, I'm screwed. This is another seal, but unlike the other one, this one's fine. So I'm not going to be destroying it. Just removing it. Okay, it's sort of fine. It's definitely new, and it's probably from a garage door, so, you know, maybe I'll find a period correct replacement. Who knows? Yeah, that's still a problem. That can't lift me, and it's not going to lift the front end, that's for sure. At least it is a good workout. What the hell was I doing with the jack? God damn it, I could have avoided all that. Now, it's time for the fun part. Removing every bit of hardware from this piece of junk as I can find. I talked about doing it in a particular order, but now I'm not so sure. And besides, I'm lazy. I wonder if those had nuts behind them. Okay, maybe that's not the right size. Yeah, that's definitely not the right size. Yeah, that's not the right size. Oh. Okay, they're spinning. These are gonna need to get replaced too. Luckily, I know where I can get more. Well, actually, I know where I can build some more, but there's just some really thin nuts. It's got a really funny looking medieval hammered effect now. This one's gotta be just as cracked and gross too, so I get no, yeah, they shouldn't crack like that. They should cut. So I don't feel a ton of remorse cutting them off. Well, that sucked, but luckily there's hope. Now it's time for the actual fun to start. Here we go. Oh, this is gonna be a lot easier than I thought it was gonna be. You know, on second thought, this drill bit's a little too big. I don't want to make bigger holes than I really need to. Something I forgot to do when I removed the taillights is take out the wiring harness. Because to be completely honest, I didn't even see this, and I didn't know it came apart. So, I had to do that. And remove that. Long vintage piece of crap wire. Let's put that in a pile of trash. Oh boy. More bolts from bolt pile. I'm not looking forward to this one, but the disgusting gas cap needs to go. And then the rest of the filler neck, or whatever, that little ring that connects it to the actual body. I find it peculiar that one of these isn't painted. Like, what was going through their minds when they built this thing? Like, Jesus Christ. I'm not talking about Saab. I'm talking about the idiots before me who came up with this. Like, 16 layers of paint plan. What were they thinking? Alright, gasket off. That's got some seam sealer on there, so whatever. Come on. Oh, that's tight. Jesus. That should be low enough. So, there's some bolts hidden. There's two hidden in there, and on the other side. You can barely see them through there. Well, no, you can't because camera things. But I can see them, and you'll have to trust me they're there. Alright, that was pain. I'm not filming the other side. I'll just do that. Alright, so if I did my math correct, there should be one other point of contact, and that would be, there's two holes right here for an Allen key, which will disconnect those top latches. Not latches, but hinges, the ones that hold on the glass. Those actually go through the roll bar and, well, through the body. So, I don't know what size they are, because, wait, do those not go through? I could have sworn they did. Oh yeah, they do go through. There's just two of them. Okay, I'm dumb. So I need to find which Allen key will take those out. Luckily, I got a box of a ton of rusty ones. Perfect for the job, right? I'll clean these up one day. Make them all nice and pretty, but not right now. I'm too lazy. No, it's not now. That's just screw. That makes things easier, to be honest. Well, okay, that's gonna be a little trickier than I thought. Oh, hey, those came off. That means I got this screw out. Mission accomplished. I forgot. There's a little tiny bar on the bottom that clamps the body in. I still need to remove that. So, let's do that. These are spinning an awful lot. That's making me nervous. And it's not the good kind of spinning. It's the there's a nut upstairs kind of spinning. I think that's truly the last thing that's holding this in. I didn't explain this part well enough originally, so I'm doing it again. There are actually fasteners hidden under the bottom of the quarter panels here. However, I elected to rip them off because mine were already messed up. One side had already delaminated and wasn't attached, and the other side was just too stuck to deal with, so I tore it off. Sue me. I don't plan on reusing this attachment mechanism, and I've got a much better and cooler looking idea that I will, get to when it comes time to put this back on. Hey, I found that plate that fell out. Can you believe it's just that? That's it? It's kind of pathetic, but whatever. Alright, this has quickly turned into a night operation, but, well, I don't have time, so we're doing it now. I've got a little pulley system up on the roof, or the rafters, so we can lift the body off of the tub, and I'm using the Miata as an anchor point. Now, yeah, I actually use my tow hooks, so I need to replace them anyway, because they've been used a few times, and for actually towing the car, so I don't care if they get torn up. However, I did notice something. I assumed I could pull the body around these bars. However, I made a, helpful discovery. They appear... Oh, that shadow's bad. That's better. They appear to be bolted in right there, which means that, I may not be able to take them out because they're larger on the inside, I should be able to push them further in. Or maybe not. I'm not entirely sure, but, I figure it's worth trying. Well, since that didn't work, I'll go with my original plan to lift it and then scoot it backwards a little bit. So everything's working mostly according to plan, but for whatever reason, I just can't get it to come off. It's just crazy to me. Forgot, the brakes don't work. I don't even want to know what half that crap is. Okay. Making progress. This is gonna work this time. This is gonna work. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, we did it. Oh. Oh. We did it. Oh my god, let's get this thing to the roof. That's as high as it goes. That's probably good enough too. So the question is, do I have enough room to get the car all the way in the back and the body in the front? Or am I gonna have to ghetto drive the car out there? Oh, did I just hit the... Let's turn this sideways. It really wants to go sideways, so let's do that. Now, I was gonna just get in the Miata and let it coast forward, but to be honest, this thing is so... I got so gross rolling around on the ground. I'd feel more confident. What? No. I don't want to get in my Miata because I'm filthy. And, yeah. It's in... Oh, this is gonna work perfectly. Now I gotta play the game, so go find the rags. Oh my god, this has been a long time coming. Oh. Oh, I had an antenna. They hid it under the dashboard. That's pretty cool.